steps to finding your life purpose. The combination of a successful career, a loving family, and a strong social network may seem like the recipe for a perfect life. However, even those who can check each of those boxes might feel like something is missing, and that something is their purpose in life. Finding your purpose is more than just a cliché or a dream that will never be fulfilled. It's actually a tool for better, happier, healthier life that too few people attempt to use. Discovering your purpose can be tricky. Here are some strategies I've found helpful. 1. Don't be afraid to start over, start new. You won't find your purpose if you're too afraid to fail. Part of discovering yourself is embracing mistakes, pain, wrong turns, and the natural confusion of life. Don't settle for something mediocre because you're scared to start over. Don't stay static because you're intimidated by starting new. Remember that some of the most successful people didn't find their passions until they were older. You have time. 2. Do your homework. It sounds so simple, but when building a career, it's important to do your homework. After all, you're going to be spending a big chunk of your life at your job. Isn't it worth your time to do your research and find something you really love? Reading is a terrific way to tap into your purpose. You can read about people who do work that interests you. Research the companies that most value their employees and coach them in finding a purpose. And check out career guidance books like the almost 50-year-old classic What Color is Your Parachute? They contain great advice and quizzes to help you find your path. 3. Start conversations with new people. It's easy to browse social media while you're alone on the subway or sitting at a bar waiting for a friend. Resist that urge. Instead, take the time to talk to the people around you. Ask them if they are working on any projects or what they like to do for fun. Talk to them about organizations with which they are involved or if they like to donate to any particular cause. Even though striking up conversations with strangers may feel awkward at first, talking to people outside of your immediate social circle can open your eyes to activities, causes, or career opportunities that you never even knew existed. You might discover new activities to explore or different places to visit. And those activities might be key to helping you find your purpose. 4. Be flexible and committed to yourself, even if it feels hard. Your process isn't going to be easy, but promise to stay committed to yourself. Even when you mess up, even when you fail, even when things don't turn out how you imagined, stay focused on yourself and your goals. You have to be flexible as you pursue your passions. You have to be willing to be vulnerable, too. Commit to growing yourself. 5. Align your goals with your life purpose and passions. We're all gifted with a set of talents and interests that tell us what we're supposed to be doing. Once you know what your life purpose is, organize all of your activities around it. Everything you do should be an expression of your purpose. If an activity or goal doesn't fit that formula, don't work on it. Aligning with your purpose is most critical when setting professional goals. When it comes to personal goals, you have more flexibility. If you want to learn how to paint or water ski, go ahead and do so. If your goal is to get fit and lose weight, move ahead with confidence. Nurturing yourself emotionally, physically and spiritually will make you more energized, resilient and motivated to live your purpose on the professional front. 6. Explore your interests. Is there a topic that you are regularly talking about in a Facebook status update or in a tweet? Are you regularly sharing articles about climate change or refugees? Are there pictures on Instagram of you engaging in a particular activity over and over, such as gardening or performing? Consider the conversations you enjoy holding with people the most when you're meeting face to face. Do you like talking about history? Or do you prefer sharing the latest money-saving tips you discovered? The things you like to talk about and the things you enjoy sharing on social media may reveal the things that give you purpose in life. 7. Listen to yourself, your mind plus body, for feedback. Maybe it sounds cliché to say, your conscience knows, but it's actually true. When you're doing something, pay attention to what emotions you experience. Do you feel positive and aligned, or exhausted and drained? Are you encouraged and motivated, or dragging your feet? When you pay attention to these feelings, you can understand, more accurately, what's aligned. This can help you start to identify your purpose. 8. Surround yourself with positive people. As the saying goes, you are the company you keep. What do you have in common with the people who you choose to be around? Don't think about coworkers or family members you feel obligated to see. Think about the people you choose to spend time with outside of work and outside of family functions. The people you surround yourself with say something about you. If you're surrounded by people who are making positive change, you might draw from their inspiration. On the other hand, if the people around you are negative individuals who drag you down, you might want to make some changes. It's hard to feel passionate and purposeful when you're surrounded by people who aren't interested in making positive contributions. 9. Focus on what you can give. Sometimes we find our true identity when we stop focusing so much on ourselves and personal desires. Don't see your passion as a means for money or success, see it as an opportunity to spread your gifts to the people who need them. Don't think so much about what you want to do that you neglect what you can truly offer. The world is hurting and we need, more than ever, to know that we're connected. As you discover what makes your soul come alive, don't be afraid to give that energy to others. When you focus on a mindset of gratitude, you'll find purpose in what you can give. And that, above all else, is fulfilling. 10. Discover what you love to do on the other end of the spectrum. Simply thinking about what you truly love to do can help you find your purpose as well. Do you absolutely love musical theater? Your skills might be best put to use in a way that brings live performances to children who can benefit from exposure to the arts. Is analyzing data something that you actually find fun? Any number of groups could find that skill to be an invaluable asset. Consider what type of skills, talents, and passions you bring to the table. Then, brainstorm how you might turn your passion into something meaningful to you.